Today is March 22, 2020, and I'm just here doing some stuff. So here's a 4930. Here's a couple of quasars. There's a quasar, there's another quasar. There are the doors to the quasars. Okay, and then of course there's a quasar, there's a quasar, and another quasar. Okay, so there's all these here. And I'm just here, now I just want to bring this up here. Let's just see that, if it'll focus. Right here, let me see if I'm doing this. I want to show you that, yeah, I got this back in, so this is what, 2020? So I got this way back when. This is what, 2006, so this is what, 14 years old? 14 years that I've had this thing here. What I'm looking for is, I'm looking for speakers. That's what I'm going to do, is take the mouse. Where's the mouse? There's the mouse. Okay, so go to the mouse. So I was looking for speakers, so I found some speakers somebody has for sale for a really high price. Not so sure I want that for that high price, but okay, so then, so what I want to show here, and what happened to the screen? Okay, I don't want to do any effects with the screen. I somehow bumped something and got some, get out of that, there we go. Okay, so now that's, so anyway, so here's some BTO, right, BTO tape. Okay, and just throw it in here and hit play. And it's got some very bad wild flutter in it, but anyway, it does, let's see here, it does do that, and it does that as well. But it sounds tortured, and of course the door is, the door is not straight. Let's see here, if we hit eject, so the door is, what? The door is, that's a little bit loose, but it does open and close like it's supposed to. Just looks funny, so who knows. Anyway, that's just what I want to show you here. Is just what I'm doing right now. I'm just, got this stuff going on. I got this mess because the end result here, I got 2 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay, because once I put this down, and I'm tripping over my own feet now. Wait, power cords, okay. So, like I said, there are those, there's that big thing. Somebody please buy that from me so I can get it out of here. And then I've got, out here on the patio, well, hard to show it, but there's a box out there. Wait, can I open the door and open the box? Wait. Oh, there we go. There's a box out there that I got a couple days ago, or got it yesterday, but it's cloudy and so it's been outside getting the whatever off of it. Okay, so anyway, so let's sit down. Like I said, I found some speakers, changing hands. Okay, so I found that, got that. Don't want to bore you to death, just I'm here, I'm gonna make 3 good ones out of these 4 radios here, okay? All of them work, but one's not going to have the thing, because this is a good one here. There's the other one here. Here's the bad one. Okay? Here's the bad one because it's missing the little deal that helps reset it. Okay. Let's see, where is it? Here's that part right there is broken off. Okay, that's broke off, so that's why. And anyway, that's it. Just good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.